Okay. So the first thing is to, if you can introduce you, so say your name, age, where you're coming from.
Yeah, okay. You started?
Yeah.
Hello everybody, I'm Vanya from Montenegro. I live in Podgorica. I'm 30 years old.
Okay.
We are here on the crag near Podgorica and Smokovac.
Okay. And what's your job?
Yeah, I work on the towers.
Okay.
Towers for mobile network antenna.
Okay. Ooh. So we climb in Podgorica. It's good. Now we're going to speak about 3 common points of my trip. The first one is Europe, because I go all around Europe. So what do you think about Europe? What is your Europe?
What is my Europe? Well, my country now wants to apply to be a member of European Union, you know. I think some things are good in Europe, some things are not. I hope we will be a part, but if we not improve something in our country, Europe will not help us much.
Yeah, that's true. And what do you think is good and what bad? Good, the food.
No. Good in Europe.
Yeah. I mean, what for you? What's Europe? Is it just the continent or the organization?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I don't know actually how to answer that question, but I think the organization is one thing. You know, they have a rules, their own rules, but I look at Europe as a separate countries. You know, I visit many countries and I like them very. I don't look on the countries through the lenses of European Union.
I see.
It's good to be a part of European Union because you can travel free around, but also it's not good on the other side because they are put their rules.
Okay, interesting. But it was the most difficult. No, more easy about climbing. So since how long time you climb and your level?
Okay. I climbed 5 years ago. I started 12 years ago. I started to go in the mountains as a trekker.
Okay.
And then after a while I wanted to try something different. And then how we started here. 5 years ago we started from zero here. There was nothing. No routes, no anything. And one of our friends come back from Belgrade to live here, and he was a skilled climber, and he teach us how to climb, how to board the routes.
Good.
5 years ago, now we have around 60 routes. We have clubs, but it's not climbing is not still popular here among the people, but it's not. It will be.
It's the beginning.
Yeah. I'm not very something good in sport climbing. I up to 6B plus. 6B plus. I still prefer multi-pitch routes and ice routes.
Okay, good. So same question about climbing. What is it for you? Lot of things.
Everyone has their own reason why to climb. I think there are no two same reasons why people are climbing. Because sometimes it's because of fun, because of going outside, being in nature. Simply I like it.
All of this, you like it? Yeah. Okay, good. What are your next projects for the climbing? If you have? Yeah,
I don't make a project on that way that I want to climb that route and that's my project. I think I would like this winter to go maybe in Val di Cogna for ice climbing. Maybe
that's a good project.
Yeah, that's also maybe one route on our seaside above the Kotar. There is one unclimbed wall, 350 meters. Good rock. Maybe I will try.
Okay.
This autumn.
And last thing is climbing and Europe, and last thing is my van. But my car with camping car. And usually I ask people what they think about this, but you didn't saw it.
I did not see your car, but I believe it's great. It's good to have such a car so you can travel and sleep.
Yeah.
Not paying expensive hotel.
Hotel and everything. Okay, thank you, Farah. And maybe if you want to add something.
I'm glad that you come and climb here. We are very happy when someone from other countries come and climb, and that means for me that we done good job with Baltic Routes.
Yeah, good.